First Amendment Strike Team. This is a First Amendment auditor's book. This is the first book written on First Amendment auditing. This author was inspired by our work. If you're a First Amendment auditor out there, if you've been arrested, probably your case is in here. This is a book that I think everybody should be reading. And I have an idea. I want to take this book to every police station in California and give it to the chief of police. So I have several books here. These books are all signed. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books here. And these are, I'm gonna send these to some of you activists out there. And I think 3 of these are already gone. So there's 3 left. If you guys want one, let me know in the comment section. And I'll also put the link where you guys can find this book. This book is extremely important for all of us. It's a retired fish and game warden who wrote this book, inspired by our work. So, congratulations, First Amendment auditors, and congratulations, D.B.MCCREA. Thank you so much for writing this book, and I can't wait to go through it. Maybe I'll start reading some chapters for you guys, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna put the link so you guys can order this book. Do it, don't wait. Thank you guys. Pretty stoked, man. So D.B.MCCREA, thank you. You guys know this one. Officer Comella, she's the one that arrested Auditing America. That case is in here, that arrest. Many others, guys. You guys do not want to miss this book. Like I said, your arrest or your situation is probably in here. Very important book. So, like I said again, thank you, D.B.MCCREA. And thank you to every single one of you First Amendment auditors out there, and especially all you supporters. We wouldn't be where we're at today if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you guys, and go get the book, Rise of the Oathbreakers by D.B.MCCREA. Rise of the Oathbreakers by D.B.MCCREA. He explains in here why police are violating your rights and how they're doing it, and it's important that we all share this book with everyone that we know so we can get the word out there. First Amendment auditors, you guys have a book written about you guys. Thank you guys. Peace.